Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to continue with our 7th chord series in the key of C sharp. In our previous video we learned how to form the chords, the formula for forming the chords in the key of C sharp. So today we're going to be doing the inversions. Alright, so we have our chord 1 here. Now with this being our chord 1, we move the C sharp top here, and then we're going to be having like this. That's our first inversion. Okay, so the second chord, we move the E flat here, and then we get this. We do the same for this chord, and then we move the F here, then the chord 4, we move the F here, F sharp, then the 5th chord, we move the 5th chord here, and we're going to be playing like this. Then the 6th chord, we move the 6th here like this. Alright, so with the 7, this C will move here. Alright. Okay, so now that was the first inversion. Now the second, let's do the second and then the third inversion. So this one was is now this way. Alright, so what we do this in the second inversion, let me play it here. Okay, so now this would move here, so we will have that's for the second inversion. Then the third inversion, the 5th note will move here, so we're gonna be so that's where that's the third inversion. Alright, so let's move on to the chord 2. We did it this way, so we are now here. So we move the F sharp here, and then we'll get. Then the last one, we move the B flat. Alright, so then the third, which is this, we did it like this. So we will now move this one here, and then so now this one will move. And then the last one, yeah. Okay, so now let's move on to chord 4. This has already moved to here. So now this B flat will now move. And then the C sharp would move. then the fifth, this would move, which has already moved already. Okay, and then this C would move, and we now have like this, and then the last one, the E flat, then back to the C. Then the last but one, which is the B flat would move, then the C sharp would move to okay. Then this one will move, the F. Okay. Then the last one back to. Alright, then for the last one, C would move, E flat would move, then F sharp 2 would move. Alright, so that is the diminished chord for the last one. Okay, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, which will be the last part of this, we're going to be using the chords that we've learned in progressions, so that we'll know how, or we'll know the options we have. Are we using a ninth, an add 9? Are we using a triad? Are we using a minor or major 9 chord in that progression? We just play around them, and then when you are playing your song, you can substitute them, and then you listen to how it sounds. If it's okay, you go with it. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial. God bless you. See you in the next. Bye bye.